Welcome back to the video. This is an important video. Here today we are going to learn about some important topic. That topic is about how to solve bracket for integers. You can check my previous video for deep mass, for addition, subtraction, division. You can check the previous videos. This video is one of the most important video. But if you don't know the basic, if you don't know the basic, then you will not be able to understand this video. So I request, if you have not seen the video, if you are in doubt, you can just look at the previous video and then come back to this video. Now in this chapter, in this video, we're going to learn about how to solve brackets. It's very easy. First, we know there are four types of bracket. That is bar bracket, parenthesis, or we can say round bracket, curly bracket, and then at the end square bracket. These are the four different types of bracket we know. And always remember, we always start from bar bracket first, then round bracket, then curly, and then square. So this is from top to bottom. You can see the arrow over here. Now, first sum. It is as normal as what we have done earlier. So here evaluate, you can read the question over here. This is a question. So as per the rule, we know that we have to solve bar bracket first. Therefore 6 minus 3. Just keep one thing in mind. Whatever they have given inside the bracket, that only we have to check. So 6 minus 3 is what? 3. I have written the same question over here. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore I wrote 3 over here. Now after bar bracket, we have to solve round bracket. So round bracket contains 8 minus 3. The other part of the question written as it is. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So I wrote 5 over here and remove the round bracket because nothing is left inside the bracket. So I wrote 5 over here. Now next 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. Since we have to solve curly bracket, therefore I am solving this particular part first. 15 plus 5 is 20. Again nothing is left, therefore remove this curly bracket from the question, from the step. Now 26 minus 20 is 6. Now 30 minus 6 is 24. You can remove the square bracket over here if you want. If you don't remove, then also it is okay. So 30 minus 6 is 24. Hope you understood this type of sum. It's very easy. Now next, evaluate 55 minus square bracket 25, and you can read the question. First, you have to solve the bar bracket. Bar bracket means what? That is 11 minus 8. So 11 minus 8 is what? 3. So I wrote 3 over here. Now 12 minus 3, because we have to solve round bracket, therefore 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? 12 minus 3 is 9. Therefore 9 and remove the round bracket. Now curly bracket 23 minus 9 is 14. Therefore wrote 14 over here. Now square bracket 25 minus 14 is 11. So I wrote 11 over here. 55 minus 11 is 44. Hope you have understood this sum. It's very easy. This is also easy, just a little bit tricky. I will explain why it is tricky. 5 minus 2 is 3. I wrote 3 over here. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Just don't do a mistake. They forget that it is minus over there. So minus into 1 is minus 1. This is the final answer. Next, over here, evaluate. You can read the question. Is very easy. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now there is no sign between the 4 and the bracket. So we consider multiplication. Multiply sign. So I wrote multiplication sign over here. So 4 into 2 is 8. Therefore I wrote 8 over here. Because as per Borma, we have to solve first multiplication and then subtraction. So I was multiplying this 4 into 2 and I got answer as 8. So 17 minus 8 is what? 9. Therefore wrote 9. And 9 is what? 27. Therefore final answer is 27. Hope you've understood. Next, exercise 1C, second sum. Here first, as per Bodmas, we have to first solve bracket. So 15 minus 13 becomes 2. And then division we have to solve. 24 divided by 2 becomes 12. And now minus 15 plus 24 gives me minus 3. Why minus 3? Minus plus minus. Therefore we have to subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. And sign of greater number is minus. So minus 3 over here. Final answer is minus 3. Hope you have understood. Next, question number 3 is very easy. 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 and so on. First we have to see where is the bar bracket. So you can see bar bracket is with the three terms. So all the three terms are solved simultaneously. It is 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 3 is 4. And I will remove the bar bracket and write plus 4 over here. Now I will solve round bracket. 13 plus 4 is 17. Therefore wrote 17 and remove the round bracket and minus 17 I wrote over here. Now 15 plus 14 minus 17. 15 plus 14 is 29 and 29 minus 17 is 12. Now I wrote 12 over here. 35 minus 12. 35 minus 12 gives me 23, which is the final answer. Next, question number 6. 46 minus 26 minus curly bracket 14 minus, they have considered the question over here is very big. First, we have to solve the round bracket. So, round bracket is over here. So, while solving the round bracket, we have to keep in mind we have to solve as per bond mass. So, as per bond mass, we have to first solve division. So, 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. Therefore, wrote 2 over here. Then again, I will check whether some bond mass part is left or not. Yeah, we can see that there is multiplication. Therefore, to multiply first, it is 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now 15 minus 4 is 11. Therefore, remove the round bracket and then minus 11 over here. Why minus 11? Because minus was over here. So I wrote minus 11. So 14 minus 7 is 3. Therefore, wrote 3. 26 minus 3 is 23. 46 minus 23 is again 23. This is the final answer. Now, next sum over here. 45 minus 38 minus 60, curly bracket 60 divided by, okay. This is little bit tricky sum, one of the important sum as per the exam. Keep in mind over here. First we have to solve the round bracket. So round bracket के अंदर first we have to solve division. So 9 divided by 3 is what? 6. Therefore, sorry, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore 3 over here. Now 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. Therefore 3 over here. Now, now the thing is a little bit complicated. Now, first I will solve division. See, I am solving on underline over here. I will solve this division. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Therefore, root 1. Now, one more division is left. Now, we will say, sir, you can solve this division also first. Yeah, you can solve simultaneously both the part. That is 60 divided by 3 is 20 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. You can skip this step. Just for your explanation, I am writing this step, but it is not necessary at all. So 60 divided by 3 is 20 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Therefore, 1 over here. Now curly bracket 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 is what? 19. Therefore, 19 over here. Clear? So I did a mistake over here. You can say cancel. 60 divided by 3, I wrote 57. I have subtracted actually, but it's 20 over there. So avoid this our mistake. Now 20 minus 1 is what? 19. Therefore, 19. 38 minus 19 is minus 38 minus 19 is 19 again. 45 minus 19 is 26. That is the final answer, 26. Hope you understand. Hope you don't do this about mistakes in exam, because you cannot verify. So if you don't verify and if you lose, you can lose your easy marks over here. So avoid this about mistake. When you are in hurry, normally do this type of mistake. Your concept is clear, but in hurry you have to just try to complete your work. So don't be in hurry when you are solving some which are little bit difficult. Now next, here you can see the question. Question says that 17 minus round square bracket 17 minus curly bracket and so on. First, as we know, we have to solve bar bracket. So bar bracket is over here. 17 minus 17 is 0. I wrote 17 minus 0. 17 minus 0 is again 17. So now 17 minus 17 is again 0. 17 minus 0 is again 17. 17 minus 17 is 0. It's very easy. Next. This is also easy. Just numbers are big, therefore I'm just explaining. 2550 minus, and the question you can read over here, minus 80 plus 7, minus 80 plus 7, 90 minus 80 plus 7. So bar bracket is over here, therefore just add now. 80 plus 7 is 87, therefore it's 87. Now 90 minus 87, 90 minus 87 is 3. So I wrote 3 over here. Now 270 minus 3. 270 minus 3 is 267. Therefore 267 over here. This minus sign comes down. 510 minus 267 is 243. Therefore 243 over here. 2550 minus 243 is 2307. This is the final answer. Next, sorry for the image. The image is not that proper, but you can see that image clearly. So it's okay. Now this is the question, is very easy. You can go through the sum. 13 minus 3 is 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. Minus 2 into 15 is minus 30. Now here it is plus and it is minus. So when we open the bracket, so it becomes plus minus minus. Therefore 30 minus 30 is 0. Next, 88 minus curly bracket 5 minus minus 48 divided by minus 16. So 48 minus 16. minus 48 minus 16, 48 minus 48 divided by minus 16 is plus 3. So I wrote plus 3 over here. You can see sir, why is minus came? This minus came from here. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 88 minus 2 is 86. Hope you understood this type of sum. Next, question number 11. So here again there are two bar brackets. So we do have to change the method. The method remains the same. The method remains the same. So what I will do is first I will solve the bar bracket. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now I will solve the round bracket. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 2 plus 6 is 8. Now here there is minus sign, here there is multiplication, here there is multiplication. So as per DMOS, what do you apply? We have to solve first multiplication wala part. So multiply sign is over here. So 9 into 3 is 27 and 2 into 8 is 16. 27 minus 16 is 11. So we hope you understood this type of stuff is very easy. Next, 2 minus square bracket 3 minus, we can read the whole question. Now we have to solve first bar bracket. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So I'm not repeating the whole thing again and again, the same what we have done earlier. So I'm not repeating the all sums, all subs clearly. If you are in doubt, you can let me know. Now, exercise 1D. This is one important exercise. The sum of two integers is minus 15. The sum of two integers is minus 15. The दो integer दिया हुआ है उसका sum है minus 15. मतलब for example if I say the sum of two integer is 10. So how 10? So here 10 I can get by adding 8 plus 2. So here something like this we have to do. So they are saying the sum of two integers is minus 15. If one of them is 9, find the other. तो दोनों में से एक इंटीजर उन्होंने दिया हुआ है 9. तो दूसरा इंटीजर फाइंड करना है अभी. इट्स वेरी इजी. लेट वन इंटीजर बी x. Let one integer be x. So x plus 9 is equal to minus 15. Why equal to minus 15? Because when we add two integers, I am getting minus 15. So one of the integer is x, I took over here, and 9 they have given, that is one of them is 9. So I wrote 9. Why plus sign? Because they are saying the sum of two integers. Sum is what? Plus. I wrote plus over here. So x plus 9 is equal to minus 15. So now x equal to this plus 9 will go over there, become minus 9. So minus 15 minus 9 is minus 24. So because minus 15 minus 9 is minus 24. Minus minus is plus. 15 plus 9 is 24. And sign of written number is minus 24. Hope you understood this sum is very easy to solve. Now next, the difference between an integer x, the difference between an integer x and minus 6 is minus 5. Find the values of x. So I will explain this type of sum. This type of sum is very important. एग्जाम में ये सब पूछते हैं. तो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सम. नाउ ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट कि they are not told we have to do x minus 6 or we have to do minus 6 minus x. Understood? Whenever for example if I say subtract 2 from 3, so we know that ki 3 minus 2 करना है, because from is what, the other number minus the first number. But if I say difference between one number and another number is this, so what, which between who they are asking, so we don't know, therefore we have to find the values of both over here. So over here if I say, I will write in both the ways, x minus of minus 6, x minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 5. X minus of minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Now minus minus becomes plus, therefore plus 6. X plus 6 is equal to minus 5. Now this plus 6 will go over there, it will become minus 6. So minus 5 minus 6 become minus 11. So x equal to minus 11. Now in other part, I will do round away. I will do a little bit opposite of what I did in the first part. That is minus 6 minus x. Minus 6 minus x will give equal to minus 5. I got this minus 5 from here. Is minus 5. So is means what? Equal to minus 5. Now I will bring this minus 5 over here and I will send minus x over here. The reason behind that is I will bring all the integers on one side and variable on another side. That is x is the variable which I took on the one side and integers on one side. So minus 5 came over here, become plus 5. Now minus x plus 5 is what? Minus 1. This minus x went over there, therefore it become plus x. So here I'm not writing plus, it is considered as plus when we don't write sign. So minus x plus 5 is minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. Okay, I just did a mistake. I have to write minus 1 over here. That will become minus 1. Keep this in mind. Next, the sum of two integers is 28. If one integer is minus 45, find the other. Okay, so you can see that I have not written the question completely, or it might be the same question what they have given. We have to just add over here, find the other integer. So sum of two integers. Sum of two integers means what? Ki x plus one more integer, that is minus 45. Let be the one integer be x, and that x plus one more integer is minus 45. What they have given to us, the sum is equal to 28. Is means what? Equal to, therefore equal to 28. Now plus minus becomes minus, so minus 45, x minus 45 equal to 28. This minus 45 will go over there and becomes plus 45. So 28 plus 45 gives me 73. So x equal to 73. If you want to check your answer, you can just check your answer by just adding two integers. That is 73 plus minus 45. Why plus minus 45? Because plus will come in middle because they are saying sum. So 73 plus in bracket minus 45. Now plus minus is minus. 73 minus 45 gives me 28. So my answer is right. You can verify on your own if you want. Next, the sum of two integers minus 56. If other integer is minus 42, find the other. It's the same type of sum. You can do it on your own. Next, question number 8. If x into minus 1 is equal to minus 36, x into minus 1 is equal to minus 36. So is x positive or negative? Means what is the value of x? It is positive or negative? As per my thinking, it will be positive. The reason behind that, I'm getting final answer is minus 36. So we know that when we multiply positive into negative, we get negative. So I can say that one of the values is already negative, then this particular value should be positive. That is 6, since answer is minus 36, that is negative, and one of the number is also negative. This particular number is negative. Then the value of x is positive. As I explained that as per the rule, we know that plus minus gives me minus. So plus minus gives me minus. Clear? Next, if x into minus 1 is 30 is equal to 36, is x positive or negative? Where they've given us the answer is positive. So we know that we get positive only when we multiply with the same sign. That is minus into minus, we get plus. So I hope that the final answer of x will be negative. We will check now. Since answer is 36, that is positive, and one of the number is negative, then the value of x is negative, as I told. So negative into negative will give me plus. That is positive. That is positive. That is 6. Hope you understood this outcome. It's very easy. You should understand some basic laws which I have explained in earlier videos. Next, write all integers between minus 15 and 15 which are divisible by 2 and 3. So here little bit concept of English you should use. You should understand the words that are written over here. They are saying between. You can see I've underlined over here. Between. Between means what? दो के बीच में. Between two person, how many persons are sitting? So if I say there are three persons, Mr. A, Mr. B, so there are four persons. So Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, and Mr. D. Now between means what? If I say between A and D, how many persons are sitting? So I can say there are two persons. That is Mr. B and Mr. C. Because between me I avoid the end parts. That is Mr. A and Mr. D I will avoid. And like the two main person was sitting, that is Mr. B and Mr. C. So here also I will do the same thing. And one more word to keep in mind, that is AND. So the number which is there, it should be divisible by both the numbers, that is 2 also and 3 also, not only by one number. Keep this in mind. So over here, if I start with minus 15, I will avoid minus 15, I will go to minus 14. So minus 14 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, I will not write a particular part. Then minus 13 is not divisible by both of them because it is a prime number. Minus 12. Yes, minus 12 is divisible by 2 also and divisible by 3 also. So minus 12 I wrote over here. Then minus 11 is not divisible, minus 10 is not divisible, minus 10 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3 because they have written AND. So I have to not consider 10 also, because I want it should be divisible by both the numbers, that is 2 and 3. So minus 10 I will avoid, minus 9 I will avoid, minus 8, minus 6 I will write, minus 7 also will be avoid, minus 6, yes, 2 3s are and 3 2s are, but it is divisible by both the numbers, therefore at minus 6. Now 0, 0 as you know it is a number which is divisible by any other number, so I will write 0 over here. Then next I will write 1 is not divisible, 2 is not divisible, 3 is not divisible, 4 no, 5 not possible. So 6 and directly then 12. You can see over here. So my final answer is minus 2, minus 6, 0, 6 and 12. Hope you have understood this part. It's very easy. Just have to keep your eye open, understand it properly what you're writing, and then solve. Don't write in hurry and directly write the answer. You have to keep an eye open whatever they're saying. If they're saying between, from, or, and, then as per that we have to write. We directly can't write the answer. So whenever you're solving this also, you have to very alert when you're reading the question. If you read the question wrong, then there will be a chance that you write the answer wrong. Yeah. Hope you understood what we mean to say. So over here, next, write all the integers between minus 5 and 5 which are divisible by 2 or 3. Matlab, it should be divisible by, it can be divisible by 2 also, it can be divisible by 3 also. So over here, what I will do, I have to divide, I have to find a number which is divisible by 2 or 3. So it will be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. I am repeating again. So now minus 4. Okay, I will start with minus 5 first. Minus 5 is not divisible. Sorry, it is, we don't count minus 5 because they are sitting between over here, therefore remove minus 5, and 5 also I will remove. Now minus 4, minus 4 is divisible by 2, therefore minus 4, minus 6 divisible by 3, therefore minus 3, minus 2 divisible by 2, therefore 2, minus 2, 0, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the final answer. Hope you have understood. Now simplify. This is also very easy. 48 minus, you can just read the question. Here 4 plus 1 is 5, therefore 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, 16 minus 0 is 16, 18 minus 16 is 2, and 48 minus 2 is 46. Next, final last two sums. Here it is very easy. First, we know that we will always solve the round bracket first. That is 9 minus 11 is minus 2. Again, the reason behind this sum to explain is that only here there is no sign between the number and the bracket. So what I will do, there is no sign, therefore we know that it is a multiplication. Therefore minus 6 into minus 2 gives me plus 12, because minus minus gives me plus, therefore plus 12 over here. Now plus 12 plus 18 divided by minus 3. So we will solve division first. So 18 minus 18 divided by minus 3 is minus 6, therefore minus 6 over here. Now 12 minus 6 is plus 6, therefore plus 6 over here. Now I'll open the bracket, minus plus give me minus, therefore minus 6 I wrote over here, minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. Hope you've understood this sum. Last sum, 24 minus 12 minus 9, bar bracket is over here, therefore to solve bar bracket, I'll just check, no, there is no the bar bracket over here. So 12 minus 9 is 3, so 24 divided by 3 is 8, and over here 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now I will solve 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Here I will first multiply, that is 3 into 2 is 6, and then 6 plus 1 is 7. So minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11. Hope you have understood this video, and the whole chapter is one of the important chapter to understand the basic things. If you don't understand this basic, then in higher standards you will face a lot of problems. So I request you to clear doubts, whatever doubts you have, to clear that doubt. Hope you have understood the whole chapter. If any doubt, you can just let me know. So we'll off this video and then we can stop. Chalo. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.